the moment that we were waiting for is finally here. We have finally booked our flights, and it's with Sonu Sood. And as you can see, no one has slept a bit the entire night, and this is the condition of the house that we have done. Cause germophobic people would hate this. Let's talk to Preet. How was your experience booking the flight, bro?
Horrible.
Horrible, yeah.
The site was not loading properly and faced many problems before booking. The payment was not done, the PNR was not confirmed, our payment was on hold and everything else was on hold.
So it was a tough time. Yep. So now finally booking, packaging rather. Trying to pare down things as much as possible because the weight allowance is 27 kilos. And we would be leaving this beloved place that we have stayed for like 2 years. Amazing views, mountains which is not visible right now, and buildings and South Superhighway. How can we miss it? The Union Church of Manila, the Don Bosco Church, and whatnot. So we will keep you updated. This is the place where we used to sit, but right now it's filled with all kinds of things and stuff. These are the mad people that I have always been with in classroom. This is for the vlog, Divya. And this is Divya.
Hi,
Hi Divya, how are you?
I'm good. How about you? I'm not chilly.
So this is our spot which we sit while the college was on. The stuff that we eat, stuff that we drink.
Mana breezer bataidu.
हमेशा जमीन से जुड़ा रहना चाहिए, नहीं प्रीत?
अरे कंटारा भी नहीं आता।
मेरे को बिल्कुल कंटाला नहीं आता।
मेरे को बहुत आता है।
सिर्फ कैमरा घूमते उसका मुंह बिगड़ जाता है।
क्यों?
कैमरा उसके सामने जाता है देख।
So how's everyone? So finally now we are moving out our luggage to another city. The name of the city is Las Piñas, and I'll show you how much luggage we have. So this is our luggage. This is Yash. This is Raj. This is Preet. And the luggage which we are transferring to Las Piñas because we won't be continuing in Trevi. We have hired a car. The car is on the way. And this is Foodpanda. This is the last night which we are spending here in Philippines before we go for our flight tomorrow. The last flight, Preet. The last night, Preet.
The last night.
Yes, Yash.
Yes.
Yes. We will wait for you, Yash.
Yes.
Yash is taking a bath,
Yes, come
and we will
out.
wait for him.
Come on. Last spring night and it's gonna end. Not actually the end. Temporary end. Oh my god, what are you doing, bro?
Yash, come out.
Josh, come out, bro. We are going, bro. Come out. Not.
The weather is beautiful. The weather is beautiful over here. So basically the last night which we are spending over here and looking at this amazing view of nightlife of Makati. To get a better view, I'll go outside from the balcony. Just a second.
Raj is studying. The
Raj.
studios, Raj.
Would you like to say something for the last night?
Few hours to go.
What is this? Just a few more hours to go, Philippines to India. Yeah! That is true. So So here's it. The beautiful Makati for the very last time. Until we meet next time.
No, actually, this is the last time at this room.
Yeah,
This
the
room.
last night at this room. Now after this night, we would no more be in this amazing room in which we shot many good things. Many amazing cover songs. We conducted many gatherings, many prayer sessions, many Bible studies and whatnot. This has been an amazingly blessed room. So it would be a little tough to leave this room. As you can hear in the background, 7-Eleven out here. See you. अभी फाइनली यश नहा के बाहर आ चुका है. चलिए यश, बताइए आपके एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में. अभी तक कैसा रहा
एक्सपीरियंस?
फ्लाइट बुकिंग से लेके
फ्लाइट बुकिंग सब कुछ अच्छे से हो गया है और 6 मंथ का लॉन्ग वैकेशन
Yes.
करने मिलेगा.
तो कैसा रहेगा आपकी इस जमीन से जुड़ी हुई यादों को, रूम से जुड़ी हुई यादों के बारे में?
अभी भूल जाना चाहते हैं फिलीपींस को.
ये क्यों?
तो हम सबको भूल जाएगा साले.
फिलीपींस में कुछ अच्छा मजा ही नहीं आया.
अच्छा, हम लोग तुझे बहुत कम कर रहे थे ना.
ना भाईबंधो जोड़े मजा ही.
राइट राइट
Roommate सारा
राइट.
था.
हिंदी बोलने का दोस्त.
आता એટલે હવે નથી એમ.
ના ના અત્યાર સુધી તો સારા
ના શું
એમ નહીં હવે.
તો
ओके फाइन फाइन फाइन, कंटिन्यू कंटिन्यू. चलिए बताइए, इस रूम में कैसा रहा आपका एक्सपीरियंस इतने सालों तक घूमने का, बर्थडे पार्टी?
છેલ્લા 2 વર્ષોથી અલા ગુજરાતી ક્યાં થઈ જાય મારી.
हिंदी हिंदी
ઉપરથી ચાલુ કર.
आखिरी 2 साल से. चलिए
પણ તું પછી આ બધું એડિટિંગ નહીં કરી.
ओके चलो कट कर देते वीडियो. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे हम 3:30 बजे ट्रेवी की लिफ्ट में बाल बनाने आए हैं. राज प्रीत, मैं कैमरा में आ रहा हूँ ना. वाड़ नहीं, मैंने भी वाड़ बाल तो है ही नहीं. मास्क मस्ट बी वॉर्न ऑल टाइम. ओके डोकी, थैंक यू. टाटा वाटा नहीं क्या. So this is how Philippines looks at night 3:30 a.m. and I would just pray that no one would snatch out phone from my hand. Bad people, good people. Walking on the streets of Philippines and I'll show you. Dark Philippine streets. Yeah. નથી લખાવ્યું નામ.